Find the locus of the foot of the perpendicular from the origin to a variable straight line which always passes through a fixed point a comma b. Find the locus of the foot of the perpendicular from origin to a variable straight line. So first here I take the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis. This is the origin, and I take one variable straight line. This is the line which passes through the fixed point a comma b. First I take one perpendicular from origin to the line which is taken as px1 y1. Now this is the foot of the perpendicular. This is taken as px1 y1. What is the given question? Locus of the foot of the perpendicular from origin to the variable straight line always passes through a fixed point a comma b. This is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the variable straight line. The straight line passing through the point a comma b. Now we take this point is equals to q. Clearly these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other means product of slopes is equal to -1. So first we take that given point. What is given point? A comma b. That is taken as q. And next we take that, let origin O is equals to 0, 0. Origin is equals to 0, 0. And what is this foot of the perpendicular? And let P is equals to x1, y1 be the foot of the perpendicular. Now clearly from the diagram we have that OP is perpendicular to PQ. Clearly here we have that OP is perpendicular to PQ. That is product of slopes is equal to -1. So first we find the slope of OP. What is slope of OP? We take the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is x1 y1? x1 y1 is equals to x1 y1. What is x2 y2? 0, 0. That is 0 minus y1 by 0 minus x1. Which is the answer minus y1 by minus x1 equal to y1 by x1. This is slope of OP which is taken as m1. And next we find the value slope of PQ. Again we take the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What are PQ? x1 y1 a comma b. That is y1 minus b by x1 minus a. x1 y1 x2 y2. This is taken as m2. But here OP is perpendicular to PQ means m1 into m2 is equals to -1. So what is m1 value? y1 by x1 into what is m2 value? y1 minus b by x1 minus a is equals to -1. That is y1 square minus by by x1 square minus ax1 is equals to -1. Cross product y1 square minus by1 is equals to minus x1 square minus of minus plus ax1. That is y1 square minus by1 plus x1 square minus ax1 equal to 0. Writing these two terms to this side. Therefore the answer is x1 square plus y1 square minus ax1 minus by1 equal to 0. Therefore we take the equation of locus now. Equation of locus means in terms of x1 y1 we take x comma y. Therefore x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem. If a minus 1 comma 1, b 5 comma 3 are opposite vertices of a square in the xy plane, then find the equation of the other diagonal not passing through the points a comma b of a square. So here one square is given. This is the square. Two opposite vertices are given. That is like that, a comma b. What is the first point? -1 comma 1, and the second point is equal to 5 comma 3. Find the equation of the other diagonal. So we can take one diagonal from the given points, but we want the other diagonal. So this is taken as c comma d. Now we want the equation of CD. The other diagonal not passing through AB. So we are taking the diagonal like that. Now how to find the other diagonal? Already we know that the two diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That to find the equation, we take the slope of the CD as the perpendicular slope of AB, since these two lines are perpendicular. Now what about the point? This point on CD is nothing but the midpoint of AB. So here midpoint of AB is equal to midpoint of CD. So we take the point is equals to midpoint and slope is equal to perpendicular slope of AB. Now what is the equation of the line formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. What is x1 y1 here? Midpoint of AB. What is slope value? Perpendicular slope of AB. So that is the procedure. So first we write the given points. Given points are a is equals to -1 comma 1 and b is equals to 5 comma 3. So first we find the slope value. Slope of AB is equals to The formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What are x1, y1, x2, y2? This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. That is 3 minus 1 by 5 minus minus 1. 5 plus 1. That is 2 by 6 is equals to 1 by 3. This is slope value. This is slope of AB. Now what is slope of CD? Slope of CD is equal to perpendicular slope of AB. That is minus 1 by m. M is equal to 1 by 3 here, minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by 1 by 3. That is minus 3. CD slope value. Now we want the point on CD also. So first we take the midpoint of AB. So what is midpoint of AB? The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now replacing the values. x1 plus x2 minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 by 2, y1 plus y2, 1 plus 3 by 2. Now this is equals to 4 by 2 comma 4 by 2, which is equals to 2 comma 2. Now this is taken as x1 y1. Now equation of CD is the formula y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. What is x1 y1? x1 y1 means midpoints 2 comma 2. What is slope value? Slope of CD, that is minus 3. Now replacing the values. Y minus 2 is equals to minus 3 into x minus 2. That is y minus 2 is equals to minus 3x plus 6. That is y minus 2 plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the equation of CD. That's all.